All right, I'm over at my buddy Mike's house from M&R Automotive. He makes vehicle-specific LED light kits, and they all just bolt right on, and it's pretty easy and pretty cool. So he's gonna lace the Bronco out. Stoked to see what he does. But first, let's head into the shop where he designs, laser cuts, and assembles all the brackets and hardware. The cool thing about M&R Automotive is all their installs are super simple, and they've created mounts to optimize your own vehicle's design.
40-inch light bar right between the bumper and the grille itself,
which makes for some pretty cool and sleek places to mount the lights. The other thing I really love about Mike and M&R is that he's a family man, he's funny, and he's just an all-around nice guy, and few things make me feel better than supporting good people. When you buy a kit, they come with all the instructions on how to mount and wire your lights. And he has a ton of mounting kits for all types of vehicles, but I do think that the different kits he has for the Bronco are pretty cool. So big thanks to Mike, and he's gonna tell you what he put on the Bronco.
Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we have a Ford Bronco. We outfitted it with some dual function light bars and the hood mount kit. The light bars on the hood mount kit, they have amber DRL, and when you flip another switch, it turns into powerful white light. Let me show you. I know you're gonna love the product.